Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Ryan Reacts. Today, I have got a guest joining me. Once again, John, the sexy pants cowboy himself.
Woo!
That's all the commentary you're getting from him, though. That's it. You just get one whoa, and he's out of here. So, seeing I got John back on the reaction channel, that means only one thing. Ryan done effed up at some point. John's my backup plan. He's beautiful. He's southern. He's beautiful. So what happened was, I was recording a video of the video we're doing today, and, well, ironically enough, I forgot to record the video. Which means, yes, I only had audio for a video about audio. I honestly questioned about putting it up like that as a joke, but it was just too shit. So anyways, we got John here, and by the way, the suggestion video is from Julio the Maker, also with a candy bar.
Candy bar. Yeah.
John, I'm just saying the name, all I hear is boy, I sure hope I get that candy. And Julio writes, "Hey Ryan, love the videos. I have a video you can react to if you have not watched it yet. In case you haven't watched it, you can react to similar videos. Keep up the great work." And so that's what we're going to do here, folks. We are going to react to 10 creepiest audio recordings by Top Trending. So I've technically seen this entire video, though it was about 6 months ago, so I really don't remember much, except one that is getting cut out. There is one of the audio recordings that is just too disturbing, and I do not want people to watch. If you want to watch it, hey, the original link is in the description. But it's about the guy, I always forget his name. He's the guy who came up with the term, don't drink the Kool-Aid. The guy who put a bunch of poison in the Kool-Aid, some sort of crazy religious guy. And literally the audio recording is him doing his last, like, sermon and hearing people in the background dying. And it got way too real for me. You hear, like, children screaming. I was like, oh, it disturbed me for weeks. It frickin' messed me up. And I'm not doing that to John, and I'm not doing that to you. So instead, watch John eat a candy bar.
It's actually a cosmic brownie.
Did you say a cosmic brownie?
Yes.
Is that sounds like a name for a pot brownie, John.
I'll show you the little M&M thingies in it. It's because it's cosmic.
I certainly can see it right now. I'm certainly not looking at my own face. Oh shit, the new guidelines, Sean! I'm gonna get in trouble. We talked about drugs. Damn it! Quick, John, take out your penis and flop it around. There's no guidelines anymore. We already broke one. You can just straight up show the penis. And while you do that, I'm gonna show an episode of Breaking Bad in the corner, because why not? We're just off the hinges! Holy shit-a-moly, you're loud. Stop it!
Loud.
Stop making loud noises at me when I'm trying to fix it.
89.9 WKCR
What's going on, man?
is an FM radio
I don't know. I'm trying to figure something out, and some guys try to use the force on me. What a piece of shit.
The radio station went offline for approximately 3 minutes. During this time, it was said to have been hijacked by a bone-chilling female voice. Brace yourself. After the first 2 bars of music,
wouldn't it have been funny if you just said bone? By a
down.
singular bone. Holy shit, John.
Sorry.
That was scarier than anything. Oh. Wow, it sure sounds like a woman, John. Just a constant screech. Oh, I'm gonna piss someone off with that comment. I'm sorry, lady. Ladies, I'm sorry for that one. Keep your titty strong. You didn't help yourself at all, Ryan. You just pissed off more.
Rhythm combined with the faint ring of chimes.
God, that looks so old.
Emulate a
Well, it is.
I'm so used to.
nothing less than demonic.
Wait, that was the. Oh sh. That doesn't sound very demonic. Who rung that bell? Was that the
voice
ghost of
was
Christmas
never
Past?
traced, nor was any major connection made between the names being read.
I don't see
This
that
leaves the
anybody could
paranormal
hear
event
that.
as an
I
outright
I
shocking
think the only thing I
mystery.
made out was a Morgan Schumann
About
and
7
October
years
22nd
ago,
or something
on
like
March
that.
9th, 2008,
Yeah, me
a
too.
10-second clip
I
of
heard
an
her talking
eerie,
really fast, though.
unidentifiable voice was discovered in the midst of a historian's research, which dated all the way
There we
back
go.
to 1860. This recording was created using a phonograph.
God damn
which
it,
was the
John!
leading edge of
Don't-
sound-based technology. at
Forget
the
it.
time.
It's fine.
Compared to
It's
the
fine. We'll
audio
keep
we're
going.
used to today, this clip sounds
Missing
nothing
good
less
audio,
than a
John.
demonic
Damn it.
chant
All right.
you'd hear in your worst
John,
nightmare.
we're gonna miss all demonic chants with your gastral noises. Oh, that just sounds like shitty audio. I've dealt with a lot of shitty audio in my day, but you know what?
In the midst of the faint and fuzzy audio, the unknown voice is barely singing the lyrics of a famous folk song, Au clair de
That
la
was
lune.
singing?
The mystery and the historical age of this clip make it downright frightening. The original
Why?
Night Stalker is a name
Ah,
that was
it's
given
all
to
right.
a
Let him
brutally
have
bad
it.
man who ferociously
I guess so.
raped 50 women and killed 10 victims
Oh,
over a 10-year
good.
time span.
What
Before
kind of
each these
party would it
gruesome
be if
acts,
no one
the
got
Night
raped
Stalker
50
would
times?
often leave muffled, horrifying
lot already.
messages on a victim's answering
Yeah,
machine.
you ever
Here
say a
is one of
joke,
the
John, you're just
recordings
like,
that police
That was
believe
a
to have
bad
linked to
joke.
the original Night
Oh,
Stalker.
shit. Oh.
Yep.
Hello, sir? Sir, you have the wrong number. Sir, this is a very hairy man you're calling. I don't. Oh.
Oh, you shouldn't have told me you're a very hairy man.
Sir,
Ryan. He's gonna kill you
speak
now.
up. Speak. Don't you sass me, boy! I have
The
a
Night Stalker was
ferocious
never
dog in my
convicted
house that's
and is
about
still
5
out
pounds.
there
It will
today.
bite you in
It's
your
frightening
testicles.
to consider the possibility that your answering machine could contain a similar message any day now.
But at the same time, like, if you
considering the
heard a message
possibility
like
of
that,
aliens
wouldn't
and
you then
parallel
be
dimensions,
braced?
it
Like, oh,
becomes
someone's
very
calling me,
easy to
better get my
dismiss it all
gun.
as mere fiction. The following
Instead
clip
of him
is
just
between
coming in
a
and scaring the
public
shit
radio
out of you, you know what I mean,
broadcast
John?
And an unknown
Ryan.
caller based in military facility.
Yes, John?
Area 51 proves to be very different.
Yes,
The psychotic
John.
and
They
emotional
sure
atmosphere
are.
of panic and sincerity of terror
I just
in the
thought it was a
caller's voice
frostbitten
is
midget,
either
but you're
incredible
right, it was an
acting or the
alien.
introduction to a harsh reality.
Wow,
Always
flying
wishes
discs!
to dismiss so quickly.
Was
The
it a
discovery
UFO or a
of
really good
aliens.
frisbee? I don't know. I ain't the scientist.
I don't have a whole lot of time.
Well, look, let's begin by finding out whether you're using this line properly or not.
Area 51.
Wow, Art!
Were you an employee or are you now?
A former
Oh.
employee.
Former employee.
I was let go on a medical discharge about a week ago.
I can't tell if he's scared or if he really just needs to pee really bad, because I sound like that when I have to pee.
Really soon.
So you can't spend a lot of time on the phone. So give us something quick.
Okay, what we're thinking of as aliens
I would have messed up, John. I'd be like, I like broccoli! And just hang up. Oh. Well, we learned something about this new guy.
An earlier precursor of the space program made contact with.
Oh, excuse me.
They are not what they claim to be.
Oh dear. They did
What?
not come in
What do they
peace.
claim to be?
I started getting.
Uh-oh.
Hello?
In some way, something knocked us
Well,
off the air.
can I ask what they claim to be in the first place? Because,
Government or.
yeah, government!
The caller
Thank
claims
you,
that the aliens
Obama!
are actually
away.
extra-dimensional
Look,
beings,
John, it's
and
Hillary
they are
Clinton.
not what they claim to be, which means that they are able to access a dimension we are unable to decipher. The fact that science is still catching up
Ah,
to
who
these
am I kidding? That was a good
complex
picture
areas
of her.
study leaves us to ask ourselves, are we constantly surrounded by invisible extraterrestrial entities that we fear so greatly? Vladimir Komarov.
Yes,
was
we
a
have been
Russian
attacked by
astronaut who made a
invisible
journey into
alien
space
ghosts
that was
all
cut
along.
short due to the botched
That's
construction
stupid.
and inspection of the
That is
spaceship
just
prior to
dumb.
launch. He spent 17
Vladimir.
orbits in a freezing cold,
Putin.
permanently rotating capsule, which
I
lacked
knew you were gonna
power
say
and
it. I knew you couldn't
stabilization.
help a
This
little
clip
Putin
is
here and there.
Komarov's final
Nope.
transmission to one of the leaders of the expedition, named Alexei Kosygin.
Wait, is he gonna
during his
die?
lethal fall toward
Oh,
Earth,
it's one of-
cursing at the
I
people who
freaking
ran
hate these-
inside a flawed spaceship.
They put him inside a flawed spaceship.
You say a flossing spaceship?
Totally.
Okay. I'm glad we had this talk. Also, I think I'm too close in the okay.
I can't understand anything.
Yeah, I couldn't understand a word it said either. He's dead though, so
Listening
we got
to the
that.
Final words of
We got that
Karloff,
advantage.
Combined with the beeps of nothingness.
I
is
mean, is
horrifying in
that
its
him?
own way
Wow,
by
he did
observing
not
such a
survive the
tragic
crash.
death. The
He
National
is
Oceanic
not
and
looking good.
Atmospheric Administration teams have
I don't even
various
know if I
posts
should make fun
stationed
of
in
it
the
because,
deep
you know,
sea
someone
to assist with research and
blew up.
anticipate natural disasters such as tsunamis. On rare occasions, the recordings found by these posts will pick up mysterious sounds that are archived and labeled unidentified. One of the strangest unidentified sounds contained in these archives has been given the name Julia.
Julia. Deep sea sound, Julia.
Oh, that's spooky.
This humane.
Did you hear that woman voice, John?
Voice, combined
I
with
was
the
really
fact that
hoping it was
less
just
than 5% of the ocean has been
ladle.
explored, leads us to the terrifying reality that entities with
That's
behavior
scary shit.
Mermaids,
unknown
Ryan.
to humans may be lurking.
The heck
in
is
the
that?
uncharted
Man,
depths of
that's
the
my
ocean.
bride's a mermaid, John.
During
What
the
a
Vietnam
hottie.
War, the Vietnamese
I'd put a ring
belief
on that
was
fin.
the dead must be buried in their homeland, or their soul will
See,
wander.
my belief
Oh,
was that
yeah, I
that
remember
was
this
a
one.
female whale just calling out
Vietnamese
to
feel
us.
that if a person is improperly buried, then
I
their soul
am-
wanders constantly. The U.S. used this against
I'm
them
ready.
by recording ghostly sounds
is so
and
effed up.
voices, which they hoped would impersonate dead, wandering Vietnamese soldiers.
So they made this to freak out Vietnamese people. But I thought about it for a while, and I thought to myself, is this really more effed up than murdering someone? I don't know. Scare the shit out of them, then run away. Or murder. Also, they didn't have holograms, so it was just a voice.
The sense
I
of
don't
torture
know how well it worked.
instilled in the ghost's voice, combined with the story, makes
What's
this
with the
recording
Vietnamese
genuinely
war?
sinister.
Flamethrowers,
We must think about the
gases,
torture and
using
torment
ghostly
the
voices? What was
Vietnamese
this,
must
just
have
the
been
war
going
where we
through
just
by
tried
having this
shit out?
ghostly, religiously
Probably.
offensive clip constantly played
I
through
guess
the cold,
so.
dark tunnels throughout the war. Very creepy indeed. The
it's
unexplored
not-
secrets of our galaxy will always be mysterious to us as humans.
How do you record
because
a sound of
spacecraft
Saturn? That's
is
like-
a ship that was sent to Saturn in
Okay.
2004.
We
Since
Whatever.
asked it
has
for an
been
interview.
recording various data
We got
about
an
the
interview
planets
from Saturn. What does it have to
completely
say?
new us. During this expedition,
good
the
talk,
spacecraft
Saturn.
has been
Good talk.
detecting
I'm pretty sure it's been
intense
proven that you
radio
cannot
emissions from the
hear a
planet.
sound
These
in
signals have been
space at
compressed
all.
to become audible to the
Because
human
there's,
ear. and
you know,
this
whatever.
is
Yes,
the
but
result.
John, can we hear ghosts in space? You hear that? That's Saturn telling you, wanna go to a movie tomorrow? And I said, yes.
So when is this date, Ryan? When are you going to Saturn with the movie?
Now
I
that
don't
sounds
know.
much like an audio track from a sci-fi.
He's a bit of
horror
an
movie
expensive
prior to
date,
a
seeing
murder.
he's,
It's
know,
shocking to
Saturn,
think about how
and I can't
little
find a
we know
movie theater
about
big enough
space and
for
what's
Saturn.
actually going on out there.
Did you ask him if there was rings
One of
around
the most
Uranus?
heart-wrenching stories is of the Jonestown Massacre.
No,
the People's
that
Temple
can't be
was
the
a
joke
cult
that gets
led
me.
by Jim Jones.
Wait a minute,
which
no,
held
we gotta cut this one.
approximately 1,000
Boom, cut, pause. I almost laughed and just listened to it by accident. You son of a bitch. How is that the joke that gets me? All right, we gotta skip this one. Look at this smug Elvis looking piece of shit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we
The
cut
wow
out the
signal was a
effed
radio
up
signal
part, and we're
detected
here
by astronomer Jerry
in the
Amon while he was taking
World of
part in
Warcraft
an
signal.
extraterrestrial investigation using a radio telescope. During the investigation, a signal was discovered coming
it's
from
just the
deep
sound of a
space
fat
in the
guy playing World of
constellation
Warcraft.
Sagittarius. Here is a snippet of the recording.
Is my paladin okay?
I thought that was actually coming from the signal.
Divine shield! Divine shield! The worst part is I know nothing about World of Warcraft. What am I listening to for scariness? Oh, is it that screeching noise in my ear?
Ooh, sound like a lion.
Sure did. An alien ghost lion, of course.
So far, no astronomer has ever
The
been
Ohio
able to
State-
pick up a signal
wow.
remotely close to this one. The scariest part is the fact that the signal was transmitted.
Though I gotta
from
say, it
one of
really
the
is
emptiest
interesting just to
places
find a
imaginable
random
in
weird
space.
sound like that.
So if a signal is emitted from a location
Excuse
that
me.
contains
Sorry for
no
all the
actual
burping. Can't help it.
structures,
Coke
it
does
would
it.
be from
It's
some
fine, John.
floating object, leading people to believe
I
it
don't
could have
know
been
if
some
you
sort of
like.
spaceship.
I
This
think it's just a
recording
star
proves to
that
be the
has
best
something that
evidence
like
yet for extraterrestrial
would make that sound while going by.
existence.
Oh, that's it?
Whoa. Whoa.
What's up?
Whoa. Why is one of the videos popping up? Ash sitting next to Pikachu. And it looks like he's naked except for his hat. What is wrong with you?
I found it! I found it!
10
I found it!
banned episodes of popular kids shows.
Where's the thing? Where's the John recording? I gotta. Da 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 da. Yeah 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 da da da. Top 10 trending, putting a naked picture of. Hey, what are they doing? What is he signing up for? Is he just doing? Hey, I'd love to challenge your gym. Why are you naked? It's National Naked Day. Oh, okay. Welcome to Pokemon. Noises and sounds and stuff. That's what we listen to. Hey, if you want to listen to more, you should subscribe, like, and of course write a comment down below on what you would like me to react to. Hey, you type in the comments, Ryan, you should react to. Don't be a man murdering thousands of people. All right, that's all I ask. That's all I ask. Frick
That's
me up
kind
for
of
weeks.
frowned upon.
How should we end this video, John?
With a bang. I don't know.
Hey, I got an idea, John. Let's make some ASMR porn for everyone in audio.
Some what?
Today I went to the beach where I wrestled a whale with oil all over my body. While I wrestled the organ beast, it slapped my ass with its tiny fan. It was very tough. It pinned me for a 3 count. I lost the match and had to give up my title to John's big organ penis. Pizza penis. Pizza.
He got all this sauce all over him from the pizza, and it was really sticky and really nasty.
John, I'm so turned on right now. I really gotta stop.
Yeah, I really think we should stop. I mean, this is getting pretty graphic over here, and don't know if I can handle much more of it without going to my room.
John, what do you think about this golf game we're watching right now? I think we could be some good golf announcers. I'm here with John, and we are watching this game of golf. I just happen to be giving him a handy right now, but that is not important. It is just a part of the game of golf. Golf is about playing with balls. If I didn't play with balls, I would not be a proper announcer.
Oh, Ryan, look at the grip he's got on that club. Oh man, he's got a good strong grip on that rod.
You're not supposed to lose your composure, Ryan. Damn it, man.
Ah! I'm sorry! Strong grips and rings around Uranus. I can't handle anymore!
Hey, I blew blee, I blew blah, I blew blee, blue blee, I blew blee, I blew blah.
Johnny, gonna get me copyrighted! What the hell was that, John? Was that a raptor?
World of Warcraft
I am
signal.
so sweaty right now.
Ryan, I want to tell you about masturbating during videos.
Hold on, I'm not masturbating. Oh god, I'm gonna burp. Oh god, I'm gonna burp. Oh! That's what I get. That's what I get for comedy.